Hello, artists. So this week we are going to attempt a name lesson, and this lesson is really kind of fun and cool, and I think you'll really enjoy it. So to start off this lesson, all you are going to do, and I'm going to do it with this little index card here, is I'm just going to brainstorm a list of things that I really like. Okay, so just things you like, maybe things you like to do. So I like running, or things that you like. I like animals, cats, dogs, lots of different animals. I like hikes and nature. So you're going to make a list, okay? A bulleted list of all the things you like, maybe your favorite foods, your favorite animals, things like that, okay? And that's going to help you with your name lesson, believe it or not. Your next step is to write out your name. So you can just do your first name, but for mine, I'm going to do my last name. So I'm going to write out Duza, just in pencil, so you're using pencil, U-S-Z-A, and try to get it to fit on your paper, okay? So if you have a longer name, you might need to write smaller, okay, just to get it to fit. And now, what you get to do with this lesson, it's really kind of fun. You are going to turn your letters into objects, okay? So that's why we started with a list of things that we like, okay, or things that we like to do, because that's going to help us kind of turn our letters. You're going to think, what does the letter D look like? Like, what could I turn it into in an object, okay? So let me show you what I kind of mean by that, okay? So for my letter D, I am going to turn it into fruit, because fruit was one of the things on my list. So I am going to turn it into a watermelon. So you are going to have a lot of fun with this, kind of using your creativity and seeing, what could I maybe make my letters look like? So here are the seeds of the watermelon, okay? So can you see what I kind of did there? I made the D into a piece of watermelon instead. For the U, I am going to turn it into a cat, and let me show you how I plan to do that. Here are his ears. Here's his little eyes, his cat nose, some whiskers. Okay, and just like that. Now he turned into a little cat character. Okay, so now my U is a cat. I'm going to turn my S into a snake. Here's his eye. Let's give him some stripes. So use your imagination. Really use your creativity this week, artists. And show me some different kind of designs that you might make that have to do with things that you like. Things about you. Okay, it could be favorite animals, favorite foods, things you like to do, or maybe it's just a shape that you felt your letter could turn into. For my A, I am just going to turn it into a garden, because I said earlier on my list that I liked nature. So I am just going to draw some flowers in here, and I'll put another one up here. Okay? So that is what I want you to do. So start with a brainstormed list, okay, of things that you like or things you like to do. And then write your name out in pencil, and then turn those letters into objects, okay? And that is this week's name lesson assignment, okay? And stay tuned for a part 2 for next week, how you're going to add on to it, okay? So stop here once you've got your letters turned into objects, because next week we're going to add some Sharpie and some color into it, okay?